TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good morning, folks. Steve Rhodes coming to you live from the shores of a very sunny, a very pleasant Delray Beach, Florida. This your 11 a.m. update, and most U.S. indices are trading to the downside. You've got in fact, we have now all U.S. indices trading to the downside. Dow's off 189, S&P's down 34, Russell is off 7, NASDAQ 100, 131, transport's down 8, semis off 91, NASDAQ composite down 117, New York Stock Exchange off 118. Gold's up $12, silver's up 47 cents. Light crude is off 82 pennies, natural gas up 6 pennies. Let's figure out what all this means by looking at that 9-panel market update chart. We'll begin with the ES Mini, upper left-hand side. The ES Mini is attempting to form a new profile. Price right now is trading below the bottom of this profile, continues to shift. The bottom of this profile is at 63.31. We won't get confirmation of this profile until this evening out there. If we take a look at the NQ, it is not forming a new profile. Price is testing the bottom of its original profile, and that's down at the price range of 23,162. If you take a look at the Dow Equity Future contract, you will see a new profile forming here. Support at 43,834. Resistance at 44,573. High-grade copper also forming a new profile, and I believe price is trading below that. Let me just make sure, 4.483. And the answer to that question is yes, it is. So copper not getting any love. Gold's getting love. Price closed above the top of its daily profile yesterday, trade above it today, trade above its green oscillator and change line. Price is gunning for its swing point. Let's see, that high was 35.0580. 3509. So it's headed for the swing point from July 23rd, anywhere between 34.48 and 3509. Silver is trading above the top of its new profile that formed yesterday. That would suggest a run for its oscillator and change line right around the 38.38 level. Light sweet crude is testing profile support. If price were to close below profile support, which is 65.29, it would open up the door for a move to 59.25. Natural gas, even though it's trading higher, it's still below profile support. It's below its red oscillator and change line. Those are bearish conditions. Plus, there's an A to B equals CD pattern to the downside that gets us to lower price. And lastly, the 30-year Treasury, you'll see an A to B equals CD pattern to the upside. Prices trade above its T9 count breakdown resistance at 116 even Steven. We are one tick above that. Watch that. A close above 116 is going to suggest that we see a further rally in the 30-year Treasury. Folks, stay tuned for the Trader's Edge Show. But if you have to start your Tuesday, please have a terrific one. Thanks for joining us, and we'll look forward to speaking with you again soon. Take care now.